If you've been thinking about shopping on harperhazelhannah.com, you might be wondering one thing. Is it actually legit, or is it just another website you should avoid? In this quick review, I'll go over what I found so you can decide if it's worth your money. harperhazelhannah.com presents itself as an online store with a range of products at attractive prices. At first glance, the website looks clean and easy to browse. You can find different categories, product photos, and descriptions that make the store appear professional. But looks alone should never be the reason you trust an online shop. Before buying from any website, it's important to check a few things. First, look for clear contact information. A trustworthy store should provide a real email address, customer support options, and clear return and refund policies. If these details are missing or very vague, that's a warning sign. Next, check customer reviews from independent websites. Don't rely only on testimonials posted on the store itself. Reviews from real buyers can give you a much better idea of what to expect. Look for comments about shipping times, product quality, refunds, and customer service. Another thing to consider is the website's security. Make sure the checkout page uses HTTPS encryption to help protect your payment information. Also, using a credit card or a secure payment service can provide extra protection if something goes wrong. So, is harperhazelhannah.com legit? Based on the information available, it's always smart to do your own research before placing an order. Every online store deserves a careful look, especially if it's one you're hearing about for the first time. If you notice multiple warning signs, such as poor customer feedback, unclear policies, or missing contact details, it may be better to shop somewhere with a stronger reputation. On the other hand, if you find consistent positive reviews from independent sources, and the website provides transparent policies and secure payment options, you may feel more confident about making a purchase.